I previously did a video on how you can download YouTube videos and then watch them while offline. However, I received feedback that some people are not able to download the videos because they don't have the download option here, and also some can't just download it. So if you are unable to download YouTube videos from any channel, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Now, I went and dug out and found out that there are two major reasons why you are unable or you are facing a challenge to download videos. Number one, if I go ahead and try and download this video, as you can see it here, if I hit on download like this, I'm told download unavailable, and eventually the download button will disappear. Even if I go ahead and try and look for more options, it is not available, and this is the problem most people are experiencing. So if you are experiencing such a problem, then the number one reason is that you are not signed into YouTube. As you can see, I'm not signed into this account, and this is one of the reasons why I'm unable to download this video. So YouTube requires you that to be able to use this download feature, you go ahead and sign in using your Gmail account, and then you'll be able to download videos and then watch them offline. Now, if I go ahead and sign into YouTube using my email account, and now I'll be able to download any video. As you can see, I'm signed in, and now let's go ahead and try downloading this video, the same video that I was unable to download, and see if it will be downloaded. So if I go ahead and tap on download, now you see I have an option to choose the quality of download. I'll go ahead and choose low quality, which is 144p. For the other high quality, you need to have a premium account, so I'm just okay with this. Now I can go ahead and download by typing on download here. So if I proceed from here, you can see the download has begun and it is done. So I can now view this video while I'm offline. And if I go under downloads here, now I'll be able to find all the downloaded videos. Now in the second scenario, and this is the last scenario, I found feedback that some can't see that download option totally. Now, if you're experiencing such a problem, then it means that the owner of the channel went ahead and disabled download option. So if you can't see a download button or a download option on a YouTube video that you wish to download and watch later, then most probably the owner of the channel went ahead and disabled this feature that allows viewers to download their videos. So that's how you fix that problem if you are unable to download any video on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.